Hello, welcome to IMA. Financial discipline that every student should know. Build good habits. Spend smart. Save wisely. Introduction. Let me explain. Money is important, even for students. Using it wisely is called financial discipline. These habits help in school, college, and life. 1. Make a monthly budget. Plan your money. Income versus spending. Example, 1000 rupee pocket money. Divide for food, fun, savings. Don't spend more than your plan. 2. Save a small amount regularly. Always save a part of your money. Even 10 rupees per day is equal to 300 rupees per month. Saving is a good habit for life. 3. Avoid unwanted spending. Think, need or want, before buying. Don't buy things just because others do. Avoid waste on snacks, games, gadgets. 4. Use mobile payments carefully. Use UPI, cards, and apps safely. Never share your PIN or OTP. Track where your money goes. Five. Set a small goal. Example, save 1000 rupees in 3 months. Work step by step. Goals help you stay focused. Six. Learn basic money skills. Know how savings accounts work. Learn ATM, UPI, and interest basics. Ask parents or teachers for help. 7. Track your spending. Write daily expenses in a notebook or app. Review weekly. See where you waste money. Helps you become more responsible. Message: small habits today is equal to big success tomorrow. Start your financial journey now. Be smart. Save first. Spend wisely. Thank you.